Neolithic
Age.
age.
We've come up to the Dinas Mountain and we've come to dig up flakes from the Neolithic period.
It's brilliant that they're involving local community and teaching people about the history of land use and the history of occupation in this landscape by humans over thousands of years.
So this tool, I don't think many people have heard about or seen, but you go like that to make it the dirt softer. Then with
This one you scoop it.
yeah, it's a
put
shovel.
it in the
I
yellow
think everyone knows
bucket.
what that is. It's
Yeah.
a shovel.
It's a shovel. We have to get the shovel. We have to put it in the bucket. We get the sieve. We pour it into the sieve. We shake it. And then we have to check if there's bumps and mountains and bits where it's been chipped off.
If it's pretty thick, then it's not one.
We've been excavating an area that had surface finds of rough outs and flakes, and we found plenty of flakes and several rough outs excavated here. Ian's found a rough out on the surface as well.
This is a very thick rough out, so it's been discarded because it's way too thick. But that was a surface find in the scree, and right next to it was the remains of a hammerstone. I think it's fascinating that something can be discarded and sit there in a scree for 5,000 years, and then you can come and pick it up, and it's sort of humbling to be able to do that.
They don't have any iron or metal on them, so they used to have just wooden axes with strong stones, and they used to polish them too.
The Neolithic people were the first people who made big changes to the landscape by bringing livestock and farming, rather than the hunters who lived before them.
It's been really fun. It's just been fun, but walking up here nearly that killed me.